How to translate TikTok comments to your language. Open the TikTok app and find the video with the comment you want to translate. Next, open the comments section and find a comment written in another language. Now, press and hold the comment until the options menu appears. If translation is available, tap Translate, and TikTok will automatically translate the comment into your selected language. If you want to change your translation language, go to Profile, Menu, Settings and Privacy, Language, then select your preferred language. Keep in mind that the Translate option may not be available for every comment, depending on your region, language, or TikTok app version. That's it. Now you can easily translate TikTok comments into your preferred language. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more TikTok tips and easy tech tutorials.